Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to change the language on your iPhone. So first head over to your settings app, tap on it and then scroll down a little bit and tap on general. Under the general tab scroll down a little bit again and tap on language and region. As you can see, these are my primary languages, and if I click on this add language option right here, there are a bunch of language I can choose from. And if I select any language like English Australia, my primary language is English UK by default. I want to change it to English Australia, so I will just tap on English Australia and it will ask me to change my primary language to English Australia. And if I choose English Australia, my language would be changed. And if I click on any other language except English, it will automatically change the language like this. Use Croatian, and if I click on use Croatian, my language will be changed to Persian. So that's how you change the language on your iPhone. So thanks for watching. Leave a like, comment and subscribe to the channel.